Let's learn how to create text behind a person in Canva. Hello, welcome to Glitech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to create text behind a person in Canva. The steps are easy and simple. It will also make your work look creative. So the first thing you have to do is to go to any browser of your choice. I'll make use of Chrome browser. So right here on my Chrome browser, all I have to do is to type in background remover. Just type in background remover. You're going to see this option. Just click on the first side there. So right here, you just have to click on the upload image. So you just have to select the particular image you want to use on your Canva. The work of this background remover is to clear the background of that person you want to make use of. You can see it has cleared the background of this person. I just have to click on the download option, click on free, then I can now download it. So it has downloaded. If you want to open it, you can open it, but I just want to go direct now to my Canva. Then I'll click on the YouTube thumbnail. That's what I want to create, a YouTube thumbnail. So right here on my YouTube thumbnail, all I have to do is to click on that space provided. You're going to see space provided. So if you want to add color, you can add, but now what I have to do is to click on the text option. Now I'll click on add a heading. So right here, I will write what I want the text to look like. Let me say I type in happy. All you have to do here is to you can see the option of editing. If you want to increase the font, all I want to do is to expand it. So just expand it. Now the next thing you have to do is to click on the gallery option. Now this is the person I downloaded from my background remover to my gallery. So I just have to click on the add to page in order to add it to my Canva, so you can see how it looks like. You see how creative it looks like. So you can place it on the position you want to place it, but this is how it will look. You see how creative it looks. It is looking creative, right? So guys, that is it on how to create text behind a person. So if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching.